we've got a band of rain moving through overnight tonight. Once it gets out of the way, a lot of settled and dry weather for tomorrow and the weekend, but the nights still potentially quite cold.
Getting well used to the sunshine, Angie.
Yes.
Is it going to continue?
Yes, they're enjoying the sunshine as much as their owner by the look of things. And yes, we will see some more sunshine. Today wasn't too bad for quite a few of us, really. We did have some brightness to begin with. The cloud did tend to fill in a bit through the afternoon. We've had a few showers, particularly towards the north and the west, but a lot of dry weather too. And after a spell of rain tonight, well, it looks as though the St. Patrick's weekend should be mainly fine and dry. Variable cloud, there'll be some brighter sunny spells. Daytime temperatures, they'll be close to average, but the nights potentially still cold with a frost with some fairly clear skies. So coming back to this morning, we had a frosty start, particularly in the east where we had the lowest temperatures. Catesbridge got down to a bitter -5 Celsius. Now, it's not going to be as cold as that tonight, but we will get some clear spells this evening and the temperatures will drop away. And particularly for rural parts in the south, they could get down towards freezing, giving a touch of frost. But I think that will lift as this band of cloud and rain works its way in from the north. And some of that rain could also turn a bit wintry over the hills before moving along. Clear spells follow later in the night and maybe the odd spot of ice. Now, the wind also turns around from the northeast and we're hanging on to that northeasterly wind tomorrow. Looks like a fairly reasonable day, a lot of dry weather. Brighter sunny spells. Again, we'll get some cloud bubbling up as we go through the day. 1 or 2 showers, maybe towards the northwest and parts of County Down, but they'll be well scattered, I think. So the emphasis is on a lot of dry weather and highs of around 8 or 9 degrees. So fairly clear skies through tomorrow night, a more widespread frost, really, and some mist and fog patches first thing on Saturday, which should start out bright enough with sunshine. Again, the cloud bubbles up through the day. Could produce an odd shower, but most places will stay dry. And we're starting to see those temperatures creeping up into double figures. High pressure in charge through the rest of the weekend. That means settled, dry. We've got spaced out ice bars, so the winds are fairly light. We'll have bright or sunny spells. Also those cold nights I was mentioning, but temperatures staying in double figures.
Angie, thank you so much. That's it for now. Our late news is at 10:30.